Use your left hand to get back into position.
There was an initial stumble. She's getting back on the horse. Here she comes.
Got it.
Oh, she's banging in the rock. You got this. Come on. Take your time. There you go.
Good job. Nice and easy. There you go. You're doing perfect. Go straight down. Don't go to your right. Stay on your left.
6 years ago.
Left.
Left, baby.
Left. Yep. Left. Let
Left.
the rope guide you to the left. Don't fight it. There you go. Now you're going to go straight down. Okay, once your feet can reach the wall, just let them hang. Just like you were rappelling down a helicopter, like those squad guys, the Navy SEALs. There you go.
Get through the chopper.
Yeah, perfect. That's it. Okay, feet against the waterfall all the way to the bottom.
Would have hit
There
that
you go.
pole.
Perfect.
Oh, look at her. She's a pro now. It just took her 20 feet to get there. And then now she's all over it.
Very good. Nice and easy. You got it. Almost down. Excellent.
Look at this.
Good job.
She's milking it now. And we're up. Okay.
Can I see my video?